Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy, and it's another edition for the mechanic tools episode. And guys, for today I will be showing you my most common tools that I use in my car repair videos, which is the Milwaukee Cordless Ratchet. So I've been using this guys for a long time. Guys, this is a very handy, very light tools that you can use everywhere on your car. So guys, if I remember, I bought this from Home Depot. I think this is only $99 Canadian dollar, guys, but it's only a tool only. So I bought this separately, and then I bought this too for, like, if I'm not mistaken, this is $69. So all in all, it's around, let's say, almost 200 Canadian dollar, including tax. So guys, this is a good tools. It's also rated 30, I think it's 35 or 30 foot-pounds torque. So it's not that much. This is good for the bulb cover, gasket removal, your brake caliper bolt, you know. So these are really good tools. Guys, this is just a quick sharing video for you guys. Like I promised, I will be sharing you guys what tools I've used, and also guys, I will be showing on the screen, you know, this Milwaukee cordless M12, so you have an idea what is this. So if you are planning to buy a cordless ratchet, guys, check this out. This is a good one, and I've been using this for I think 3 years now, 4 years, and it's still, you know, going strong, still working. So it's a very tough one. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any question, any suggestion, please comment down below. And again guys, please support my channel. Don't skip ads as a support for this channel, and I promise you guys I will bring you a good videos and share to you guys all the knowledge that I know about car repair and maintenance. So guys, that's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.